Okay, we're just taking a look around the pits here at Sandown. There's John Wise in his very well presented car. Yates's over there in the number 30. And Weeks in the 37, the car Tracy Bolton normally drives. Kenny Wright. Rocket Rod's over there. Mr. Page is in here all ready to go in the first meeting in the Blingmobile. Mr. Peters. Mr. Francis over there. And Carl McHenry's all in there ready to go.